Hey guys, welcome back to the video. This stuff is me. Today we're going to be showing you what I got today in town. It has been 3 days in a row that I've got stuff, and I think I should stop. I'm not bragging on it anything these 3 days, but yeah. Sorry about that, guys, but I hope you enjoy. So the first thing I got is borax, and I'm not trying to brag or anything. The first thing I got is borax, and this is just to make the slime. Then the second thing I got is these Tupperware boxes. Now this is all from Wilkinson's, except for these 3. And this is just from Wilkinson's. This is from Wilkinson's. These Tupperware boxes, and these are just cartons to put the slime in. There's 4, but I have 5 of these. But I can just put some slime in these thingies. I don't know what they're called.
Containers.
Yeah. And then I got this PVA glue. It was $1.99. This borax was
Hundreds.
I don't know how much the borax was, but it's borax. This was $1.99, and it's PVA glue, and it's from WH Smith. And then I've got this green Central Oil for food colouring. This green one, this yellow one, this red one, this blue one, and this pink one. And I can make them light or dark. So if I want the yellow to be dark, I can just add loads in. So you get what I mean, guys. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big fat thumbs up if you liked it. And comment down if you've got any of these essentials or what else could be good for slime. So, bye, peace.